Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video guys, what I will be doing is showing you how to remove a watermark through the Snapseed editing application. And let's get right into it, shall we? So as you can see, I took this photo, which is a royalty free, just stock photo from the internet somewhere on Google Images. And as you can see, there is a watermark pretty much everywhere on the photo. And what we want to actually use to remove this is actually the healing tool. This is the most simple way. It might look a little bit less natural, a bit more blurry. However, it is really simple to use and it is a really simple fix. Just go into the tools tab and select the healing tool, which is the third from the top in the far left, and click on that and you will select it. Now once you've selected it, to make the photo look as realistic as possible, use short strokes or maybe even just light taps and go into really great detail. Just zoom right the hell in. And by tapping, as you can see around this watermark where you see my taps, you can see the watermark is slowly disappearing. However, the sky looks quite natural because what the actual healing tool does, it takes data from the surroundings of the point of selection, and it takes that data and tries to merge it as best as it can with the area you've selected, and that is pretty much how it works, and that is how you can remove the watermark. Now another method that exists is using the double exposure tool and just duplicating the picture and removing the watermark through merging. However, that's a bit more complicated. This is the most simple one, and I hope that you learned something from it, and I'll see you guys in another video.